Dear students, today I am going to discuss some basic fact related to numbers. So problem is, what is quickest way to find sum of all odd numbers between 31 and 573 including both. So from the pattern of odd numbers, one thing you can notice that if I am going to add first two positive odd numbers, 1 plus 3, so you will get 4, which is 2 square. Here 2 is total number of terms in this series. So how you can find total number of terms in this series? Total number of terms will be last term plus 1 divided by 2, which is 2. And the summation for this series will be square of total number of terms. Now in similar way, sum of first 3 odd numbers will be 9, which is 3 square. Now what is 3? 3 is basically last term plus 1 divided by 2, means total number of terms in this series. Similarly, if you are going to add first n positive odd numbers, then what will be total number of terms? So firstly, you have to find total number of terms, which is 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, means n. So this summation will be equal to n square. So what is formula for sum of first n positive odd numbers? Is n square, right? So now how you can find sum of all the odd numbers between 31 and 573? So what you have to do to solve this problem? Firstly, you have to find sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 573. This 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 573. And you have to subtract 1 to 29, all the odd numbers, right? So now you have to find total number of terms in this series. The total number of terms will be equal to 573 plus 1 divided by 2, which comes out to be 287. And total number of terms in this series will be 29 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 15. So now summation for this series will be 287 square minus 15 square. So now after using the formula of a square minus b square, you will get 302 into 272. After solving, you will get 82144. In similar way, if I ask one more problem, which is sum of all the odd numbers from 29 to 473, including 29 and 473 both, including 29 and 473 both. So how you can obtain this summation? So firstly, you have to obtain sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 473. So which will be 473 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, minus what you have to subtract from this total summation. You have to subtract sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 27, which is 27 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So now you can solve this one to get the right answer. Okay, thank you.